Hello, my friends. We officially made it to Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. Our room is already ready. It's only 11 a.m. We are so excited. It's absolutely perfect. It's beautiful. I'm going to show you a full room tour, and you guys are going to want to make sure you keep watching. You can see there's tons of space next to all the beds. I love this huge open area right here. Here we have a bathroom, all the amenities for staying at the Grand. Look at how cute. Avery's favorite part is the fact that they have a little Mickey stool down here for her. And then here is the bathroom. All right, here is the bathroom. Has one of those waterfall showers. Wow, so cute. Oh, it smells so good in here too. Very nice, very spacious. So here as you exit out where the restroom is, here's the whole nice big sink area. Plenty of space to put all of your things. Let me get a little bit closer to the beds over here. You have an alarm clock, a phone of course, little notepad, in-room dining. If you guys don't know, my favorite little touches of Disney's Grand Californian is Chip and Dale. Now as you can see, here's Chip up here and we have Dale down here. How did I almost forget to show you guys the view? All right, so we got a balcony, which is so nice and spacious. And here is our view. Right over there is the Pixar Hotel. Right over here is Disneyland Hotel. And right there is downtown Disney. It feels so good outside right now. Here is the front lobby area. This is where we pulled in. It's literally such a fantastic view. Oh my gosh, we're so excited to be here. We did splurge and we did valet parking this time. I'll actually show you guys where they do valet parking. It was so nice. They took all of our luggage, all of our things. They actually even had extra Disney bags that they put our extra things that were just sitting in the car that weren't in a bag that we took. I brought a really pretty dress that I have for something that I'm doing extra special here. They put a full-on bag around it. I didn't have it in anything. It was just hanging because I didn't want it to get wrinkled. So nice. So now we're gonna call downstairs. They're gonna bring up our luggage and we're gonna start our Disney vacation. So I wanna show you real quick. This is where they do valet down here. It's in a private little parking lot right here, which is right next to the lobby. Keeps your cars nice and safe. All right, so here's the fifth sleeper option.
Pull it out.
Brian and Avery are gonna pull it down. Wow.
Whoa.
So cute. It has Bambi and Flower. Is that where you're gonna sleep? Are you gonna sleep there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, on your mark. Get set, go.
I made it!
All right, our luggage came up and we are all set. Now we are headed to lunch at Din Tai Fung. We're on the 5th floor and look at how beautiful. You can see the lobby down here. You see the fireplace over there. Wow. Off we go. Time to go to downtown Disney. So here's a little courtyard. Here's where the monorail goes. Just went through security at the Grand and here we already are in downtown Disney. Literally the best perk about staying at the California Grand. Here we are right here. It seems so crazy. There's the entrance right there. We are headed off to the Disney's Grand California pool and we just found this beautiful little spot up here. We are on the 5th floor.
See a little courtyard out here.
Yeah, cute little courtyard. So let me turn you guys around. Look at how beautiful. No one's up here. I could definitely get some work done up here.
It's like right around dinner time right now, so I think a lot of people are out with their dining reservations or eating, because the pool area right down here doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that crowded.
It's looking great.
It looks like the shades coming out. Oh, see a few of our agents down there.
Yeah, there's a few down there. Look at how beautiful, you guys.
We got two pools.
Here we have the California Adventure right here. Here's the whole pool area, Craftsman's Grill. Right off the elevators, we are now down by the pool. Right here is Storyteller's Cafe. In the morning we do a great character dining, one of our favorites for our guests. Let's go check out the pool. All right, Avery, you ready?
Yeah.
Dad's got to scan in.
My insurance card.
On the front. Open the door, Ave.
Pull it.
Good job. Here we are out at the Few pools. There's actually more than a few. There's 3 pools down here. There's not on Avery. Avery, does it feel good?
Bring my goggles.
Oh, I think we forgot your goggles. Oh no. Such a beautiful view out here. So there's another pool over here, a pool over here. There's a little slide up there. Super cute. So nice. It feels great out. There's Craftsman's Grill over here. We're probably gonna order some food and some drinks. Right here is where you can rent out a cabana, which is super nice. There's a whole back area back there, a fridge and everything. You get an entire section to yourself. There's quite a few of these out here at the pool. Go, baby, go. All right, there's so many nice, plush, thick lounge chairs out here. It feels so nice. It's so relaxing. There's nice music on. It just is very nice, especially if you've been in the parks all day. It's a little hop, skip, and a jump. If you're in California Adventure, come on over, spend time at the pool, and be super close to the parks. It's obviously super close to Disneyland as well. All right, out of your mind. Get set, go. Good job.
Watch me fly back from the tip.
All right, here we go.
Doggy paddle.
Am I moving?
Yeah. Baby.
All right, how are you liking this hotel? You love it? What's your favorite part? Oh. There she goes. Oh, the sunset looks pretty. The pool is your favorite part? The hot tub. What is it, 90 out and we're sitting in the hot tub? Roasting like turkeys? Avery is gonna go on the big slide all by herself. All right, here goes Avery on the big slide. Woohoo! There she is! Woohoo! Good job, babe! Oh my goodness! All right, here goes Brian. Here we are at Craftsman's Grill. It's a perfect place to go. They have breakfast, lunch, dinner, some kids' meals, a bunch of things. Oh, it's so cute in here. Look at all this. Oh my goodness, look at the cupcakes. Mickey Mouse. Those sugar cookies look great. Muffins. Brian, Mickey donut. Look at this. We have to get that for Avery in the morning.
Bear claw. Scones.
Scones. This is super cute. It's a great little quick service option to do at the Grand Californian. It's not busy in here at all. It's kind of a little hidden gem. So the pool's right out there. It's kind of hidden in the corner. So we've been swimming for a little bit and now we just went over to Craftsman's Grill at the Grand Californian. Let me show you the yummy food that we got. Look at all this. This is a stuffed quesadilla.
Carne asada quesadilla.
Carne asada quesadilla. Nana got a
Flat iron steak salad.
Yep, flat iron steak salad.
Got nachos. And Avery got chicken tenders and fries.
Looks great.
Oh, it's really good. Big portions.
You ready to eat? Mm-hmm. Okay. We are all done with the pool. We just got dressed, went into the little gift shop. Now we are headed to the viewing deck for World of Color that the Grand Californian has. And we're so excited to show you guys this beautiful deck. Yes. All right, here we go.
Here we go.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Ready to see World of Color?
Yeah.
Let's go find it. We just came up to the 6th floor and now we are off to the Paradise View doors. They locked me out. Finally made it through the door. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Ah! I'm screaming. Here's the viewing deck for World of Color. Wow. This view is crazy. You can't get anything like this in the parks. You have to have a key to the hotel to get up here. Right over there you can see the Pixar Place Hotel. Here's Goofy Sky School, literally right here through the trees. You can hear them all screaming.
My greatest reward is to have the public appreciate and accept what I've done all these years. That is a great reward.
Since 1923, Walt Disney's ripples of laughter, wonder, and beauty have brought happiness to the world.
Here's what the lobby looks like at 7 in the morning. It's perfect. No one's out here. It smells so incredible in here, you guys. I wish you could smell it through the video. Here's one of the most incredible places. Little fire pit and rocking chairs. See just how pretty this resort is.
It's so quiet.
It's so quiet in the morning. It's great. Look at they're doing a little mousekeeping actually. Vacuuming, getting things all ready for the day. All right, we are off to the entrance for California Adventure. Here is the California Adventure private entrance. Gonna scan in, and right over there is Grizzly River Run. All right, friends, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Yep, thumbs up. And subscribe if you are looking to stay at the Grand Californian. We can book that for you either in a package with tickets or hotel only.